Hey YouTube, today I'll be teaching you how to deep clean and remove some of the scratches on your iPod Touch. You're going to need a little bit of materials for this, just some household materials. First thing you need is a paper towel with just a little bit of water on it, not too much, just make it damp. A Windex bottle or a glass cleaner, and spray it on a paper towel, not too much though, so just like that. And you're going to need a dry paper towel or toilet paper. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is take the damp cloth or toilet paper and then just give it a quick wipe down. Not too hard though. Don't have to apply that much pressure. What this does right here is just removes the little bit of grease from your fingers or fingerprints or whatever from it. So once that's done, get the Windex cloth and then give it a wipe down. And now for the hand cream, you just get a tiny amount of this. I'll show you here. Now, this is all you need. No more than that, guys. So you want to just dab it on there at the front, and then dab it on the back. And then you just start rubbing it on the screen. And if you think you're running out of hand cream or lotion, don't add any more. You don't want any more than this. And what this does is it fills in the tiny scratches. It doesn't fill in the deep ones though. It's the tiny ones. And now what you want to do is just leave it for at least 2 minutes. And we'll get back to you. It's been 2 minutes now, guys, and now you just want to get the paper towel with the water on it and now just rub it off. Now get the Windex cleaner or window cleaner and then give it a wipe. Now get the dry paper towel or toilet paper and just wipe it off. Dry it up. And now I'm just going to give it a quick wiping with the fiber cloth. You don't need to do this, but I just do it. And this is what it should look like when you're done. Nice and clean. Like I said, it removes some of the scratches, but not the deep scratches, guys. I recommend you guys doing this every week, every other week, to keep it nice and clean. And if you have a case for it, take the case off every night before you go to bed, and just give it a wipe off with a fiber cloth or some toilet paper or something. Thanks for watching.